Hi guys, look what a neighbor have given to me. Is a mosquito and flies killer. So is a nice one from Greece. Is called United. The parameters are here. Is 800 volts, 4 watt, 220, 50 hertz. So the output is 800 volts. This I can't read what it is, but let me see the documentation inside. So let's open up. Is use it, but it was nice to me because I will use it for something else. Let me open up. So guys, this is, you can see it have flies inside, and also this mark, high voltage, dangerous. Let me turn off the light. Let's see, dangerous, high voltage. Well, let me turn on to see it for you. So guys, when I plug in, it directly turn it on with this ultraviolet lamp that is inside and is charged with 800 volt, so is below 1000 volt, so is deadly. Now let's open up to see the lamp inside. So it open up here, but we will wait a second to get discharged. As you can see, this is the lamp. Let me show it up for you. This here. So guys, I open it up and I'm ready about to take off this lamp, but carefully because capacitors are charged. As you can see, this is the lamp, 3 watt, high show is like this. Maybe it's a high voltage lamp that is like a neon lamp, but without the grounding connection, but is self excited. Maybe is even in high frequency. Let me show up even more. Before I open it up, I discharged those wires by shorting those wires between each other. So guys, I open it up. As you can see, this is just an capacitor, but that is winded air capacitor that is used for zap. And this is the board of this multi. So guys, in this box it also have this cleaner to clean those flies, and also have this for separation, like a minus screwdriver to separate those shorted ones. Well, let me open up to see this packet here. As you can see guys, this is the packet. It have this 100 ohm resistor, those diodes, this capacitive dropper part, those 2 high voltage capacitors for achieving the high voltage. You can see in the back of the packet how it look like. You can see here, this is the lamp base, E14 lamp base. You can see here, and let me see how it's connected. So guys, what I'm seeing here is that this lamp base is connected with the high voltage part of this air capacitor that is here. It goes in this lamp. By this it goes in this circuit here with the wires, the output of the lamp. It goes here. It ends up in this terminal here. And it goes right here in this connection here, as I'm showing with my finger. It goes in this capacitor. You can see here. (473)2J, and it goes in the face of the input. So it's like a capacitive dropper for high voltage. Maybe this is not connected well because here it could be the neutral and not the phase. So maybe the polarization of the wires are wrong in this connection, but is nice because in single phase AC it doesn't need to be like this, just plug it in. So guys, is a voltage doubler, and the lamp is just a normal lamp for ultraviolet with high voltage one, and this use it to power it up with a capacitive dropper. So basically in this circuit what I'm seeing is just a multiplier, a capacitive multiplier that powered up this air capacitor. Be careful guys, here are 800 volts. Be careful to discharge with a screwdriver like this before operating, because it can kill you. So as I can see here, it have those connectors that are connected with output of multiplier, and you can see the one terminal of this high voltage capacitor is connected here and goes into the lamp. Well guys, let me see some documentations if it have something. Nope. Is in Greek. Documentation is in Greek. So this is in English. You can see here. It's not focusing. Is an UAV lamp. You can see even the norms in meters. It have even how to clean it up, as I was doing before. Danger of explosion or fire because it's high voltage. Well guys, that was the video. That was the circuit of this. Be careful when working with high voltage. They can kill you. It may be a joke to play with them, but they can kill you. So take them seriously. And be very careful when working with high voltage. It's not a joke, as I was telling you now. So be safe guys. Don't forget to subscribe, share, like, comment. Bye guys.